In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Wattpad password on your mobile phone. And this will work on both Android devices and iOS devices. So all you need to do is launch up the Wattpad app, and then you'll be on this screen, and then you'll want to tap on sign in there at the bottom. Now, most likely you have forgotten your password, so you will just tap on the forgot password underneath where it says start reading. And then you will type in your username or your email address that's associated with your account, so you can go ahead and reset your password. So I'll go ahead and do that. And once you have entered in your email address or your username, you want to go ahead and tap on send instructions. And it says an email has been sent to my email address. So what I need to do now is tap on OK and then go to my email and check for an email from Wattpad. And there is the email, so I tap on it, and it might be in your socials folder if you're on Gmail, and it's the reset password email, so I'll go ahead and tap on that, and then I tap on the orange reset my password button. And then from this screen, I can go ahead and type in my new password, confirm it, and then hit the reset password button, and I would have successfully reset my Wattpad password. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.